Hi, folks. Michael Williams here from legacycoaching.ca. Have you ever thought about taking time to sit down and write a letter to a loved one in which you express your gratitude for their being in your life and sharing with them the essence of the wisdom that you've gathered in your own life, passing it on to them as a kind of map to navigate the highs and lows of this world? Well, if that sounds like you, why not join me on Zoom for my Writing Your Legacy Letter workshop? In the workshop, it's an hour and a quarter long. I'll introduce you to the 5 steps to writing your own unique legacy letter, and you'll have time in the workshop to write a draft of it as well. Afterwards, I'll even offer to look it over and give you feedback should you wish. All you need is a notebook, something to write with, and an open heart. Thank you very much. Find out more and register at legacycoaching.ca. That's legacycoaching.ca, where you can register. It's only $20. I'm Michael Williams. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye for now.